Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. This is our tutorial part 2 and we see how we can add the animations and transitions on the text options and the logo options. So first we start with the logo. So here we can add some animations, that how you want to do that you just easily go to the animation options and choose whatever the suitable of your logo. So there are more options. So I choose the bounce options, and here you can just increase or decrease your the duration of the animation. So whenever there is also three options, that on click, with previous, and after previous. So whenever you just need that, you click on the cursor pointer and the slide will go to the next slide. So you just choose the option that on click, and by default it said that it on click, but when you just click that after previous or with previous, it just normally go to the next slide. So I choose the default option here, and you can just set the background as transparency that time. So I don't do that. I cross the background option. So I added here that you can see the first animation I added. So there shows the one number option, and second I choose the text button option, and here I added some transitions. So there are so many options here. I just added fade option. So I increase the duration to, and overall you can add transitions. So your slide will like this transition. You can see push option. I choose mode. Here is the one that I click the previous, that honeycomb. So this option I added before, so I choose that honeycomb. And now we want to preview it. Here another thing can we do, that we click on the here we insert so we want to just preview it, and here you can see this type of animation here. So this is the first part of this second part of this tutorial, and the next option that we added and work with some this type of features, the button options. So in our third part of this video, we see how we can do that, and for this today, this is how we can do the sample options, as how can we just edit our logo and text button. So this is basically our in second class. So in our third class we see how you can do the several parts at creating our website design in Microsoft PowerPoint. So till then, I hope you are all have a good day and doing well.